When promoting a brand or a business online, we want it to be as visible as possible. Major pieces of this are search engine optimization, or SEO, and your site's traffic statistics. Search engines use software bots to index and rank your site. These bots look through all of your site's information and store it for related searches. We know that there are a few key areas that they look at, and this can help us determine where our site shows up in search results. To make it easy for bots to understand our site, we recommend writing descriptive sentences that answer these 4 questions. Our site represents our production studio's brand, and it's in the media and photography industry. We serve image content and the stories behind it, and if you have a physical location, you can add it here. In simpler terms, having accurate and relevant descriptions makes it easy for our site to show up in the search results that we want. As done in the Getting Started series, we can edit the search engine description in the SEO section of the settings. This is a short description that search engines can include with your site in search engine results. We can think of it as a one-sentence summary of the site description. We'll see the title formats that control the text that appears in browser tabs and in search engine results by navigating to your advanced settings. If you'd like for individual pages and blog posts to appear in search results, it can be helpful to put collection and item titles first. Since our site will be focused on showing off its gallery pages and blog posts in search results, we'll put those titles first. Since page descriptions can help a visitor decide to click your site in search results, we can head to each page's settings to edit their descriptions. They can be a sentence or 2 long, using keywords to describe the page's content.